Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the DELF A2 exam, an essential certification for anyone learning French. Whether you're planning to study, work, or live in a French-speaking country, this video will give you all the information you need. Let's get started.
So, what is the DELF A2 exam? DELF stands for Diplôme d'études en Langue Française, and the A2 level certifies that you have a basic knowledge of French. It's part of the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, or CEFR. But what exactly does the A2 level test you on? Let's break it down. The DELF A2 exam consists of 4 main sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each of these tests different skills and abilities in French. Let's take a closer look at each one. First up, listening. This section lasts about 25 minutes and includes 3 or 4 recordings of short dialogues or monologues. You'll need to answer questions based on these recordings. The key here is to practice listening to different French accents and speeds. Listening to French podcasts or watching French TV shows can really help. Next, we have reading. This section is 30 minutes long and consists of several texts, such as advertisements, brochures, or simple articles, followed by questions. The texts are designed to test your ability to understand written French in everyday situations. Reading French newspapers, magazines, or even comic books can be great practice. Now, let's talk about writing. You'll have 45 minutes to complete 2 tasks. The first task is usually writing a simple letter or message, and the second task involves writing about a familiar topic, like your hobbies or daily routine. Focus on practicing basic sentence structures and vocabulary. Finally, there's the speaking section. This is a face-to-face interview that lasts about 6 to 8 minutes. It includes 3 parts: a guided conversation, an information exchange, and a role play. Practice speaking with a friend, language partner, or tutor to get comfortable with spontaneous conversation. To sum up, the DELF A2 exam tests your basic French skills across listening, reading, writing, and speaking. It's a great way to demonstrate your proficiency and commitment to learning the language. Remember to practice regularly, use a variety of resources, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every effort